Hi, my name is Dave, and my wife Carol and I own this 2010 Bounder 35E. Overall, we've been pretty happy with it. Unfortunately, we had an episode about a year after we got it with our Norcold refrigerator, not only having to go through the recall twice, but also having a cooling unit fail about a year and a half after we bought it. So we got it repaired under warranty with no problem, but again, on another trip just recently, it happened again, and this time the cooling unit is not covered by warranty. After examining several opportunities as ways to fix this problem, one being replace the cooling unit, which we would have to pay the labor on, two, the replacing with an Amish cooling unit, which sounded good, except we weren't able to get it in time to be able to do it, and we'd still have a Norcold refrigerator, or three, replacing it with a residential refrigerator. Problem with that, of course, is while we're on a trip, how do we go about getting it done in time? Fortunately, we were able to find a place in Las Vegas, Nevada called Apache RV. Apache was able to fit us into their schedule, and all we had to do was locate the refrigerator. So we were able to trade out our Norcold 1200 refrigerator for a Whirlpool 21.7 cubic foot residential refrigerator. This video is the story of how we did that. Our first challenge was to find an RV service center that could handle our replacement in an expeditious manner. We were beginning an RV trip and we're already over 1,000 miles from home and didn't want to have to go all the way home and then wait the 4 to 6 weeks that most places would take to do it. Fortunately, my wife on the internet discovered an RV service center called Apache RV in Las Vegas, Nevada, which just happened to be one of our future stops on our trip. One phone call to Art, the service writer there, confirmed that not only are they capable of doing this type of repair and replacement, but that they could actually do it as soon as we got there, right after Christmas. As soon as we arrived in Las Vegas, we went over to Apache RV and had them come out and measure the space to see what size refrigerator we could get. Then the next trick was to find a refrigerator that could not only fit that space, but that could be delivered in a timely manner so that we wouldn't be out very much. We went to several different places, ended up at Sears, and found a Whirlpool 21.7 cubic foot refrigerator that fit the space quite nicely. And not only that, but it also has ice and water in the door and is frost-free. Major improvements over what we had before. All we had to do at this point then was bring the RV in at 8 o'clock in the morning so they could begin to do the installation. And we turned it over to Miguel, our service tech, and he began right away working on it. Here's the old unit in position prior to being removed. You can see the wood panels on the doors match the wood in the RV quite nicely. The first thing Miguel had to do, though, was pull out the old unit, and that didn't take him very long. All of about 5 minutes to disconnect everything and cap off the propane, and he was already wiggling the unit out. Incidentally, this unit weighs 216 pounds, so he was manhandling it pretty well. Here's a picture looking into the space vacated by the refrigerator. You can see a custom-made baffle that was put in there to correct the problem originally with the Norcold. It didn't work. It didn't even hold up.
Okay. Let's go. Got it?
I'll let you know when.
When what?
Start time.
Going down?
Hold on a second. There we go.
Okay.
You ever seen them do? That's it.
Proud to play the most music for Las Vegas.
This is Vegas country.
95.5.
KWNO.
No one gets me like you when you kiss me. Girl, you rock me harder than some downtown band. I thought I knew what love was, but I didn't have a clue. I've never found anything that makes me feel like, never found anything that makes me feel like I do about you.
Yeah. And one of the things that was my job for a year, I used to put every single window in. I worked for National RV, making all kinds of. I worked for Rexel Industries out of Lancaster, California. Yeah. No, don't close it. That's work. That's what we're gripping ourselves with. Bring it down slowly. Okay, hold it up now. Let her fall in, back in track. There we go. She's out. Okay, let me just cut it. Got the whole window? Can you, hold on. I don't want to rip the desk. I don't want to get it right there. Give it to me. I got it. Get it? Yeah. Okay. We're going to turn it around because I want the.
Like this?
Like this. Like that. Like that. So you want to be out here or you want to be inside? Inside carries most of the weight for bringing it in.
I think you need to be out here.
Yeah, you're taller.
You're taller.
Alright, I'll be out here.
Yeah. So you'll be able to hold it and walk forward as
There
you
you
pull
go.
it in.
Okay.
Okay. So let's pick it up and put it on that edge. Is what you want to do?
Yep, and then you guys can walk in while I go in.
Okay, ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Lift her up, Art. Lift her up, Art. it up. Set it right before the water line. Right there's good.
Okay.
Hold it.
Got it.
Yeah. And then if we walk it, we'll jump.
Right.
Good.
You got it? Okay, I'm gonna go inside.
Okay. There you are.
Yep, go.
Okay. Mike, don't pick it up too high.
Okay.
Just gonna slide in. Art, angle it towards the mirror a little bit, you know what I'm saying? There, yeah, not as much right there.
All right. It's in, so.
I know it's resting on. Just pick up the corner. You know, pick up the corner.
All right.
Slow. There you go.
All right. I'm gonna have to.
I got it. It's on my leg.
Yep. Slide it back onto the lip.
You got her. Let it left.
Let me go. Hold on. It's got to go that way a little bit.
It's gonna go towards you. Yeah, I see it right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll tilt it forward. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah, you'll be able to. You got your corner on?
My corner's in.
Okay. I have to go a bit further
And we're gonna have to get the wheels up.
Yeah, that's what I was
First.
saying. Hold on. There you go. It's a nice snug fit.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah. Right there.
first time you've ever put a residential in a gas coach?
No.
No?
About the third one we've done
Yeah.
in a gas coach. This was the I think this one turned out the best though, simply because there wasn't a furnace under. Well, we can do it.
Yeah. Well, and then the decision became clear, like, no, let's not bother with Norco at all. It'll still be a Norco with an Amish lady in it.
Yeah. You don't need that.
Well, and the main point was to find somebody like you guys that had actually done it before.
Yeah, it's not an easy thing. You don't want just anybody doing it, that's for sure.
Well, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'll help you pull the cords in, and then
And I guess it's stupid to complain about being busy.
That's a good thing in this economy.
Yep. No need to complain.
So I want to make a note of the fact that the head boss even does floors.